So hello guys, it was a great day for the trading today as well, and we had the movement from low to the high. But the thing is, it's not like that you have to capture the whole movement of the day, huh? Yes, this is the trending movement, huh? Isn't it? This is the trending movement from this low to the day high. But the thing is, we have to identify somewhat good trade structures. If you are going to follow the blindly anything, okay, then probably you are going to make the loss as well. That's why market dynamics is very much important to learn and master. So let's go and decode. Very first in the morning, I traded something over here. I bought the put and booked my profit somewhere around here, and booking the somewhat good, I think somewhat 85 point of movement was there from days to days. Okay, so it was somewhat 40-45 points of profit was there, and that was great for me. That is okay for my intraday trading. That's it. Later on, I was waiting for the initial balance to be completed, and based on that, I'm going to make some decisions over there. So here, the thing is, when market is giving us the breakout on the higher side, look at the broader scenario. The broader scenario from days to days, okay, from today's low, it was the bearish over there. But now it is turning towards the bullish. Now again, if you analyze over here the market profile structure, over here, it is quite well balanced over there. Along with that, the CPR is also there. So if we are going to look for the breakout rate from this initial balance, considering the double distribution trend day, then the thing is, as the structure is quite well balanced on the higher side, and below that we are having the CPR, so that is creating some indecision. Because when you are going for the trading, when you are going to make any entry over here above this candle high, considering this as a breakout candle, okay, piercing candle. So from this to this is the target, CPR target. This is only the 25 points. This is only the 25 points. So this is, sorry guys. So this is the thing you have to avoid. This is the thing you have to avoid. This is the only 0.25, this is the only 25 points, huh? So to capture this much profit, somewhat very smaller profit, I would like to say kindly avoid this one. Okay, do not go for the trading over there. Yes, guys, the 6 steps of market days are working, but if you want to refine your trading, your accuracy, then you have to analyze like this. Then you have to learn all such things. Huh? You cannot avoid this. If you are going to avoid these things, then probably you are going to make the loss. Okay, that's why I am teaching to you each and every professional aspects of the market. Look, this CPR, this EMAs, yes, those are the indicators you can consider. Okay, the pivot points and all such things. But the market profile, this initial balance and the 6 steps of market days, okay, then order flow, these are not the indicators, huh? These are the true market dynamics. You have to learn that. You have to master that. If you are going to fail in that, then probably you are going to make the loss. Yes, you can make the loss, or you cannot generate the good money. You cannot generate the good profit from that. That's why what is recommended? The recommendation is kindly learn all the things. If you are just going to stuck and you are just going to stop by learning only the CPR or the initial balance and the 6 steps of market days, okay, or the single one, the market profile or the order flow, anything, okay, then that is not going to help you. Okay, that's why you have to master all the things. If you are going to measure out from this low to high of the initial balance, okay, this is the somewhat more than 200 point, okay, consider more than 200 point or round figure in that. So from this initial balance high to the day high, yes, the target is giving, huh? The target is there, 1x of the initial balance range as per the 2 session, as per this initial balance and the 6 steps of market days, the double distribution trend day. Yes, it is there, but the thing is, when it comes to the live, you have to cross check with some other parameters as well. Means other parameters, I'm not saying that you have to be dependent on some other indicators, but the thing is, the market profile, CPR, this Cambrilas, these are the topmost concepts. These are the topmost concepts, and if you are going to avoid those topmost concepts, then probably, guys, how you can have the professionalism. That's why it's very important to learn such things. Okay, I'm not depending on any other parameters, means looking at some other scripts, and based on that we have to comment anything, looking at some OI data or volume data or foreign data, okay, world market. No, because Dow theory says market is going to discount each and everything. That's why Mr. Dow indirectly said to us that kindly follow the one, and ultimately क्या होता है एट द एंड वही होता है ना, एक ही होता है क्या. तो करना क्या चाहिए, फॉलो द वन, गिव एवरीथिंग टू वन, दैट्स इट. एक को ही सब कुछ आप क्या करो, न्योछावर कर दो अपना सब कुछ, बस. तो वहां से ही आपको सब कुछ मिलना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. तो क्या है, यही था. रादर टू बुक दिस होल मूवमेंट, काइंडली फाइंड योर वे टू बुक सम 20 पॉइंट, 40 पॉइंट, 50 पॉइंट, वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट. हाँ, आपको जितना चाहिए उस हिसाब से आप यहाँ पर अपनी मेथड डेवलप करो, एंड अदरवाइज क्या करो, मेंटरिंग प्रोग्राम को ज्वाइन करो. सो दिस इज इट फॉर टुडे, एंड टुमारो द मार्केट ओपनिंग इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी मच important. Tomorrow I am having the live market session as well. Yes, I am not holding any overnight position. Why? Because I am tension free, guys. Okay, so I'm not the overnight trade holder, not a swing trader. I am purely the intraday trader for more than 95-99%. Okay, so tomorrow market opening is going to be very much important. Why? Because market is again going to break this weekly high, current week high. Okay, so tomorrow it is going to be very much important. Why? Because in Telegram channel also I mentioned one thing. I sent one message that history is going to be repeats. History is going to repeat something over here, and if it is going to correct, then probably we are going to have the good movement on the higher side. Okay, so tomorrow's market opening is going to be very much crucial. So kindly look out for my pre-market analysis audio for the tomorrow in our Telegram channel. So guys, kindly join the Telegram channel as well, and kindly like to this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment below this video if you have any queries, if you have any doubts. So thank you for watching this video.